Isn't it cool to get a paycheck while you do nothing at all? In this video, I am going to show you a passive income strategy about how you can get paid while you sleep using something called as DGI or dividend growth investing. But before that, let me tell you something about myself and why I started this channel. So hello everyone, I'm RJ and welcome to Epic Money. I'm somebody just like any of you who is passionate about passive income, stock market investing, dividend investing, compound interest, real estate investing, and also geek about how to make money online. I myself have been applying different techniques to grow my passive income and I cannot wait to share them with you. I got a few months of content ready and I cannot wait to put it out in a video for all of you guys. So if you would like to know more about passive income and investing, then you would have to stick with me a little longer and click that subscribe button. Now without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. DGI stands for Dividend Growth Investing. It is an old technique but not many people know about how to do it. It is becoming very popular these days as many people discover how to do it correctly, which will lead them greater returns. It is not one of the get rich quick schemes, rather you need to buy this dividend growth stock and stick with it for a long time. We are not going to sell it even if there are ups and downs in the stock market. Remember, you are here to build wealth and not just quick money. So you gotta have that patience and you must smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. Because once the compounding effect begins, you can get returns a lot more than you have ever expected. When we invest our money in a stock, it is going to give us a dividend paycheck each month or each quarter. And we are then going to use that money to reinvest it back into the same company or other companies, and that's what's going to give us that income. Let's say you have invested some money into different companies' dividend stocks and some of those companies increase their dividend yield by a small percentage. It will be a very low amount, but when you account for all dividend growth yielding stocks at the end of the year, you would have, let's say, gotten around $18 more that year. And it looks like a very small amount. Someone would say what good it is to receive just $18 more in the whole year. But check this, I would have gotten this $18 if I would have invested extra $450 at the start of the year at 4% interest rate. But we didn't. We got this $18 for absolutely free, which we will reinvest it into our stock portfolio. This $18 is worth exponentially more than you think. That's the true power of dividend growth stock. Now you might be wondering how much money would I need to invest in so that I don't need to ever work again. Let's say your yearly expense is around $15,000 for a single person. That's including rent, food, travel, utilities, etc. Let's call it a $20,000 for a good lifestyle and for some extra payments for products and services you might need throughout the year. Now, to get the amount that needs to be invested to achieve $20,000 completely as a passive income, we must divide our yearly desired expenses with the yield percentage. Let's say it is 4%. There are some companies that might give you a higher than that and some companies that might give you lower than that, but we are taking an average as 4%. Also, you must make sure that you don't buy all of the dividend stocks from a single company, because if that company drops down or shuts down completely, you might lose all your money. You must always diversify when buying stocks. So even if one of the company drops down, it won't affect the whole dividend yield by a large amount. So let's divide $20,000 at an average rate of 4%. We get $500,000, almost $500,000 that needs to be invested to give us that $20,000 passively every single year forever without losing the initial $500,000. In fact, the invested $500,000 might even grow when the stock price grows and the dividend percentage grows. There would be some people in the comment section saying,
"Hey RJ, I don't have $500,000 to invest in the stock market. You're just talking to the already rich people."
No, actually, you don't need $500,000 to invest in altogether. I've told you this earlier. Passive income takes its time, and when we give it enough time, it will give us greater returns. Let's say you earn somewhere around $70,000 to $80,000 yearly from a full-time job. That is $5,800 to $6,600 per month. Out of that, you just need to live frugally, save and invest $1,800 every month into the dividend yielding stocks. And when you do that every single month at the rate of 4% dividend yield, keeping the compound interval as quarterly and reinvesting the yield for the next 25 years will eventually get you to guess what? $931,598 in your stock portfolio. Now, even without adding a single dollar out of your paycheck, you can hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. And your stock portfolio would have grown so strong that even after retrieving more than $20,000 each year, considering the inflation and other costs, and reinvesting the rest of the dividend yields, you're not going to believe this, but in the next 5 years, doing this will make your stock portfolio worth more than $1 million. And it will be generating you yearly yield of almost $40,000. Let me know in the comment section if you find this strategy impressive and would implement it, or you're already implementing it and growing your wealth. Okay, that is just amazing. That's the power of compounding, when you invest in some money and leave it there for a long time, which will then give us a higher return. And not just that, your dividend yield might also grow and your stock value might go up, thus making you more and more money while you sleep. There's absolutely no reason not to do this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about personal finance, passive income, stock market investing, and compounding your money while you sleep, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. I love you all for being with me this far, and I'm going to see you in the next video.